everybody, it's Gracelyn Martinez, part of the Martinez team at Iron Key Real Estate. Today I'm in Cutler, California, and I can't wait to show you our 2-bed, 1-bath on an acre of land. Might be the opportunity that you're looking for. Let's take a peek. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions about this property or any property, call our team. We're always standing by. For more videos just like this, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.